taga barangay Talyaw, Burgos. Isu ti kasitgan nga barangay. Tatinalyaw mo lang adijayan. Namo na natin yun, nalaing. Iti manager na iso ni Mr. Sunny Ariola de Leon. Iso ati para organ miya po. Taga Burgos. Dito di contact number na. Adamot wifi group na videos. Ken kada dua kami met taga Narbacan. Dijay barangay Kinarayan met apo taga Narbacan kami met. Iso ni Kati, siyakmet ni Joseph. Iso ni Takong, Tikong Kinitikang. Ayan. Sige kuya, habang hinihintay natin yung gustong kumanta, kanta muna. Okay, ating nga kanta para kiti nakayelo tatanga rabii. Ayan. Sino po dyan ang nakayelo? Hindi po damit ha. Nakayelo ang ipin. Sino po ang nakayelo ang ipin? Joke lang. I said away, those an angel contemplate my pain. And don't you know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation lets her wings and fall. So when I'm lying in my bed, just running to my head, and I feel the love is said, I'm a loving angel say, and to it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, when I'm right or wrong, and down a waterfall, wherever rain me, take me, I know that life won't break me, when I count to go, she won't forsake me. I'm a loving angel stay. When I'm feeling weak and my pain walks down the one-way street, I look about and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling draws, she breathes blessed to my bones. And where love is said, I'm loving angels stay. Come on! And to it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, with a right or wrong, and down in one pole. She won't forsake me. I'm a loving angel say. Here we go. Come on. And she went on. She offers me protection and light and love and affection. Whether right or wrong, and anyone fall, wherever it may take me, I know this life won't break me. When it comes to come, she won't save me. I'm loving in your state. Ayan, thank you so much.